In this video, I will show you how to restart a frozen iPhone without using the touch screen. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. This method is useful when your phone stops responding, the screen freezes, or you cannot interact with anything on the display. First, quickly press and release the volume up button located on the left side of the iPhone. Immediately after that, quickly press and release the volume down button, which is also on the left side. Then press and hold the power button on the right side of the phone. This is the same button normally used to lock the screen or wake up the device. Keep holding the power button and do not release it, even if you see options appear on the screen. Continue holding until the iPhone turns off completely and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the button and allow the phone to start normally. This process is called a forced restart and does not delete any of your data, photos, applications, or settings. It simply forces the device to reboot when the touch screen is not working or the operating system has become unresponsive. In many situations, a forced restart is enough to fix temporary freezes and get your iPhone working normally again without needing any additional tools or repairs. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.